Hey guys, it's Trimatize. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a simple one for you guys. Let's jump right into this video. So from all of the new beauty trends that we see today, most of you guys, if not all, have definitely seen the 2 concealer highlighting method. Now I'm going to take a look at it from a beginner's point of view. If you are a beginner, you're probably wondering, why is everyone doing it? Isn't 1 concealer enough to highlight as it is? And the answer is yes, 1 concealer is enough, but I'm here to explain to you why exactly we're using 2 and what you are achieving by using the 2. So I've already moisturized and primed my face. Now I'm going ahead with my foundation. I love this Super Stay foundation. It's almost like a second layer of skin, but flawless. The 2 concealers I will be using today are from Nicka. Both shades are actually lighter than my complexion, but one is a little bit lighter than the other. I'm going in with the first shade just to highlight the normal areas like under my eyes, my mustache area, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And guys, anyone who wants a video on how to contour and highlight, please let me know down in the comment section. I will be so happy to do one for you. So today I'm going to use a brush to blend out my concealer. I had some time today, so I didn't use a beauty blender. And if you want a video on how to blend out your concealer, if you want a video on how to blend out your makeup in general as well, please let me know down in the comment section. And if you haven't seen the tutorial on this eyeshadow, please click the link on top of the screen. So to contour, I'll be going in with the e.l.f. concealer, the 16-hour Camo concealer in the shade Rich Ebony. This does dry down matte, so I'll be going in with this very sparingly and blending it out as quickly as possible. Okay, so now as you can see, the areas that I have previously highlighted look a bit faded a bit. They actually look a bit overpowered by the contour. So this is where we go in with the second concealer. The second concealer actually brightens up these areas just a tad bit more. So I'm going in with my brush again to blend out that concealer, and you need to make that face. To blend out the concealer the right way, you need to make that face. I gently tap it out from the edges so it blends in with that first concealer and the foundation. That's how you attain that a beautiful bright under eye effect. When you go in with that second brighter concealer, that is what you aim to achieve. Now, this is not necessarily something you may want to add to your makeup routine if it's too complicated for you. It works either way. It's up to you, and that is what some people choose to do. Whatever floats your boat, however you choose to do your makeup, it is fine as long as you feel comfortable. And the final step would be to set the concealers with a brighter powder so they can appear that way. So there we have it, guys. This is the final look. If you want to see a mini tutorial on how I did this look, please follow me on Instagram. If you want to see a tutorial on how I did the eyes, please click the link on top of the screen. If you did learn anything from this video, please let me know. If you have any questions or queries, please list them down in the comment section. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and stay blessed.